The Nokia Lumia 205G is imagined as a true flagship powerhouse, combining premium design with extreme performance and futuristic hardware. It features a stunning 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display that delivers ultra-smooth visuals and deep contrast, making it perfect for gaming and multimedia. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor paired with a massive 32GB of RAM and up to 2TB of storage, ensuring top-tier speed, effortless multitasking, and more than enough room for apps, videos, and files. The 400MP camera promises extraordinary detail and low-light performance, pushing mobile photography to new heights. Keeping everything running all day is an enormous 8,500 mAh battery supported by blazing fast 120W charging, letting users refill quickly and stay powered through even the heaviest usage. Overall, the Lumia 205G blends cutting-edge specs into a device built for power users and tech enthusiasts.